Meanwhile, the Muslim Congress, a well-known Islamic group in Nigeria, has taken up the many issues plaguing the nation. During a press conference on the state of the nation, the Islamic organization denounced the recent attacks on Muslims in Osun State, the ethnic divisions fostered by politicians, and the continuous conflicts against insurgency in the nation. Discussion included the lessons thrown up by the 2023 general election, which took place against the backdrop of Nigerians' severe cash and fuel shortages. While congratulating elected officials at all levels, particularly the president-elect, the Islamic organization urged the nation to live in peace and harmony, especially during the holy month of Ramadan.
Regarding the attack on Muslims at Ile-Ife, specifically Diomo Mosque there, actually it's one issue too many. This is not the first time we're having such. I think the way forward is what is very important. The way forward is the leadership needs to take responsibility in this issue. By leadership, I mean Muslim leadership, the government in place at any designated community such happen, and including the leaders of the nation themselves.
Our unity has been fractured and damaged, especially because of this election campaign, whereby now people of different tribes are no more trusting each other. So the president-elect, when he's being sworn in by the grace of God on May 29, 2023, they should set up machineries in motion, to bring about, so to say, national reconciliation.